Hi guys, dito yung mga ducks ko. Aray ko, stop. Or I will adopt you. Ito sila guys. Ito sila. Cute about it. That's not pagkain. If you adopt a duck, baby duck, and then kinikilig ko. Papa, ginagot sila yung na. If you adopt a duck, you must eat it. Like this. Kapag wag mong masyado siyang gigilan, mamamatay siya. Come on. Dapat lagyan mong tubig at lagyan mong rice. Ayun. Ito mo guys. Look. Na. Ah, diba? Kumakain na sila. Cute, no? Cute, no? Aray. Ganyan talaga sila. Yan. Kasi no, they would adopt you. Oh my goodness! Why are you jumping in round places? Okay. Here, solar, and then ha. Okay.
Doktor, kaya mama mo.
Ha?
Huwag mo nagay dyan.
Bakit?
Nagalit ko si mama mo. Doon mo sa baba yan.
Bakit?
Nagalit yun.
Hindi.
Nagalit yung pagyan dyan sa sigaan yan.
Bakit yung chicken? Yung chick-chick. Yes. Ay, naku. Sige na nga. Tayo na. Tayo, chicken. Don't forget about you. And look, guys. Tingnan mo sa likod. If you do that 3 times, because they will... Dada! Ay, naku. Ay, naku. Ayan. And if you rock around them, they will recognize the feet. Now, tandaan nyo yan, guys, kapag nag-alaga kayong duck. Bye!